Uses of Internet. The various uses of Internet are as follows. Email. Email is an online communication system. With email, you can send and receive electronic messages which works like written letters. Your messages are delivered instantly to people anywhere in the world, unlike traditional mail that takes a lot of time. The advantages of email as compared to telephone, fax and postal services are: it is sent and delivered immediately if you are connected to the Internet. It is a free tool. You can send and receive messages free of cost. It can be sent anytime and anywhere in the world. Information. Internet is a virtual treasure trove of information. Any kind of information on any topic is available on the Internet. The search engines on the Internet can help you to find information on any subject that you need. Some commonly used search engines are Google, Yahoo, etc. Online shopping. You can buy and sell products all over the world through the Internet. It is called online shopping. There are many online stores and sites that can be browsed to see the products and to buy them. You need not leave your house and can do your shopping from the convenience of your home. Online chatting. There are many chat rooms on the Internet. These can be accessed to meet new people, make new friends, as well as to stay in touch with old friends. At times, these are used to spread awareness and exchange ideas pertaining to any specific cause. Downloading data. Getting the data from the host computer or server to the client computer, user's computer, is known as downloading. You can download innumerable games, music, videos, movies, and other entertainment software from the Internet, most of which are free. Uploading data. Copying the data from the client computer, that is user's computer, to the host computer, that is the server, is known as uploading. This process is generally used when you want to send some photographs, articles or files to your friends, family, etc. Social networking. Social networking allows people with common interest or activities to connect with each other. They are an immense store of knowledge and information as experiences of people from across the world are shared. However, these services are generally considered as a source of distraction from education for students. Some of the common social networking sites are Facebook. It was founded by Mark Zuckerberg in 2004. The user can add friends and interact by posting comments, pictures, and videos. Instagram. It is a photo and video sharing social networking site now owned by Meta, originally created by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger in 2010.
X, formerly known as Twitter. It is a social networking site where users post and interact with messages known as posts. It was launched in 2006.
YouTube. It is a video sharing site where users can watch, share, like, download and upload videos. It was created in 2005, but Google bought it in 2006. WhatsApp. It is an instant messaging service that allows you to send messages, pictures and videos and even voice recordings over the Internet. It was launched in 2009 and is now owned by Meta. It is more popular as an app. Other uses. Many services are now provided on the Internet, such as online banking, job seeking, online education, online ticket booking, hotel reservation, and online storage. Often, these services are either not available offline or cost more.